Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw another character from Strange World. I'm going to show you how to draw Splat. So Splat is this fun little mysterious blue blob, and let's just get started. So I usually start drawing characters with their eyes, but Splat doesn't really have any. So we're just gonna start with the shape of the body. And of course he's a blob, so nothing here has to be perfect. Just kind of doing a rounded shape right now. And we can do almost like a little hand on the hip, but he doesn't really have hands as such. So I just kind of came on out, did a thicker part here, and then came on back in. And then kind of bring this part down. And then we'll have like another hand type situation right here. And then bring this on up. And then kind of curve a little bit here and round out right here. And we can give them some almost like legs and feet. So make it thicker here on the bottom and bring it on up. And do the same right here. And bring that up. Because he doesn't really have like feet as such. And let's see, do a little blobby part right here, and another one right here, and another one. And let's have a little blobby hand. Maybe he's kind of waving at everybody. So we almost have like a little thumb and then the rest of the hand. And we can do another little kind of blobby bit and bring that back to the body there. Okay, so that's Splat. And I'm gonna get started on the coloring. So he is a blue blob, but I've got 3 different color blues here. So I'm gonna kind of mix them together. So some parts are gonna be a lighter blue, some are gonna be a darker blue, and I'm just gonna have fun with coloring. All right, everyone. Thank you for drawing with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day and hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, goodbye.